Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again here. So today I'm just going to show you guys another African praise groove bass line actually played. A lot of people actually wanted me to also break that line, right? So that is why I'm here. So yes, so let me just show you the song. Let me play the song, then I break it down. I'm not going to waste time. That is it. Right, so this is the first part, right? So let me just try breaking the first part. So what I play here, right, I'm on the key of C here, right? So don't actually get confused, actually tone down my guitar. All right, so let me just play that part again so you not get confused. Let me play it again. Yeah, so that's the first part, right? So what I played here is that is all right. So you get it. So do mi, that is 1 3, then fa la 4 6, then so D, which is your 5, right, on your 7, then 2, that is re, then mi fa la, that is 2 3 4 6, right? So what is making it sound interesting is the ghost note I put in between. So right, so you get it, right? So there's something like that. So ti re do ti so, then fa la. So you get it. So right, so do mi re mi fa la, right? So then you get it. So sorry. So the progression is a 1 1 4 E 5 4, right? E 4 5 4, right? So that's the first part of the bass line, right? So let's listen to the second part of the bass line, which I think is one of the most interesting part of the line, right? So right, so what I played here is kind of like it's a pentatonic scale, but I had to turn it into a groove, right? It's a pentatonic scale actually. I permutated, right? So what I played here is la so mi re do la so. That's the first line. So la so mi re do la so, then fa la do, la so mi re do la so fa la do. So what I actually did a lot of the hammer and pull off. So that's actually what is making it sound that interesting. So so la so mi re do la so fa la do. That's the first line. Then so di re so mi fa mi re mi. You get it? So la so mi re do la so fa la do. So ti re so mi fa mi re mi. They play it again. La so mi re do la so fa la do. So ti re so mi fa mi re do. You get it? So 6 5 3 2 1, right? Then 6 5 4, right? 5, then 6 1, right? Then 5, right? So then T, which is your 7, where 2, then so 5, then mi fa, that is yes, mi fa, that is 3 4 4 3 2, then 3, right? Then you play the same thing and end it with mi fa fa mi where do, that is 3 4 4 3 2 1, right? So you get it. So let's try and play it in its entirety. 1 2 3 go. Right? You see, so that is very simple, as simple as ABC. So just try and work it out. If the tempo is fast for you, can actually step it down and work on it on your desired tempo, right? So I'm going to see you in my next session. Thank you.